Today we're going to go through how to use the GuestMaster Security app. First, find GuestMaster Security in your app store. Install the app. Open it. Once the app is downloaded, you're going to click on a Get Started button. Then enter the name of your community. Tip: the name of the community is case sensitive. So if you're unsure, make sure that you validate with your administrator exactly how the name of the community is set up. Hit save. Then enter your email address that was set up by the administrator on your behalf. Then enter your password. Note, the password that you're entering is the one that you confirmed with the email that you received from the administrator, from GuestMaster. Also note that passwords are case sensitive, so ensure that you enter the password exactly the way you saw it or you set it up. You can use the eye icon to validate the password. Log in. Once you've logged in, you'll see all the guests that are scheduled to arrive on that day. You can search for guests by their name or by the person that they're supposed to visit, or if you're in a community, by the lot number. To check a guest in, when the guests arrive, ask them their name, and then find their name in the home screen by searching for them on the main screen. Click on the arrow by the person's name. In this case, it's Trey. And see their full name, the number of people that are expected to arrive, the guest type. In this case, it could be a delivery, it could be an employee or a regular guest, the date of their arrival, and whether or not the person that scheduled this person requested identification. If they requested identification, you'd want to see their driver's license to validate that their name is correct. Then you click the check-in button. If the person walked in, then you click walked in. If they drove up, you can enter their plate number. And any additional notes that you'd like to include with the arrival of this guest. You click finish. And the guest is now checked in. You go back up to the top and click back, and you go through the process again with the next guest. If there's an incident in the community that you'd like to report, you click on the incident and you can add an incident. Create a title for the name of your incident. You can enter the location, the date of the occurrence, the time of the occurrence by moving back and forth, first the hour, then the minutes. Click OK, and you'd want to have any details about the incident. Any incident reported here will be seen by the administrator and any other guest. If a guest has arrived that's not on the list, then you have to message the resident. You click on the resident and you find the name of the resident in your app. You click on the plus sign by the name of the resident and you ask the guest what's their name. In this case, I'm putting Shay Garvey and the number of persons with the guest, and you click finish. Once you click finish, the resident that you selected or the person that you selected will be notified in the app about this person, this unexpected guest that you're telling them about. Click finish. Then you go back to messages, and once it's stating pending, it means that the message has been sent to that recipient. On the recipient's end, they'll receive a message requesting access for that person. They'll get a notification in their app about the person requesting access, about you requesting access for this new guest. Go back to the home screen to see if the new guest has been added. You can see that no Shay has been added. Back to messages just to validate. So it moves from pending before to now viewed. That means that the person has viewed it and they've now accepted access for Shay Garvey. You go back to home. You click on the new person that's supposed to come in, and now you can check them in. Clicking checked in. And that is how you check in guests. You submit an incident, you see messages, and you check on the residents. Thank you for using GuestMaster. I hope you enjoy.